In this video, we will discuss how to create new H5P content within the content bank, as well as how to edit the content stored there. To get started, let's begin on a course page. From there, the content bank can be accessed through the navigation tray on the left-hand side of your screen. Open the tray by clicking the navigation icon in the top left-hand corner. Then scroll down to and click on Content Bank. Once on the Content Bank page, click the blue Add button. Here you will see a menu showing various types of H5P activities you can create. Within our example here, I will choose multiple choice. Each type of H5P activity has its own steps involved in creating the item. You will notice that they are listed here within the window for me to follow. Red stars indicate fields that are required to be filled out. H5P's website also contains helpful resources if you're looking for additional information about a specific type of activity. Once I've gone through the necessary steps to create my H5P activity, I will hit the blue Save button at the bottom of the screen. This will save and display my activity here. I will then hit the Close button to bring us back to the Content Bank page where I can now see my activity displayed. If I want to access the activity again, all I have to do is click on it. With my activity open, you will notice a blue Edit button appears above and below the activity for my convenience. If I want to make any changes to the activity, I can just click either of these Edit buttons. And once again, I can go back into the settings. This can be done for any H5P activity within the content bank, and it is the same no matter if the item was originally created here or uploaded after it was created elsewhere. And finally, if I want to rename or delete my H5P activity, I will find these options by clicking on the blue gear icon in the upper right-hand corner.